Hey everyone, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a brand new web shooter for $0. It's made entirely from cardboard with a highly detailed design. And best of all, I've included a free template in the description below. First, print out 4 to 5 copies of the template on A4 paper. At the same time, prepare a piece of cardboard about 2 mm thick. All the parts in the template are clearly numbered in order. And I've also marked the boundaries between each piece to make cutting on the cardboard easier. Cut along the marked lines to separate the template into 3 sections. Take your time here to keep everything clean and accurate. Place these pieces onto the cardboard sheet. I'll secure them using a paper clip so they don't move around. I'm going to use a liquid superglue like this. Apply a thin layer of glue onto the cardboard surface. Then place the template pieces on top to secure them. Apply a bit more glue along the edges to prevent the template from peeling off while cutting. And just like that, we now have the template fully transferred onto the cardboard, ready for the next cutting step. Use a sharp utility knife to cut out the pieces cleanly and precisely. Take it easy. Try not to cut your fingers instead. Here's the first piece. As you can see, the cuts are really clean and smooth. It almost looks like it was laser cut. For this step, I'll attach the 2-piece number 2 parts onto piece number 1. Just stack them like this and secure them with glue. Apply a generous amount of glue along the edges like this to make the cardboard stronger and more durable. Done. Now we've got a really solid base to work with. I'm going to speed up these cutting parts since they can be pretty time-consuming. Now go ahead and take out pieces number 3 and 4. Then match and combine the pieces with the same numbers like this to form each set. I've spent a lot of time creating this template for you, so don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Now I've got 2 L-shaped pieces ready. Next, we need to make a few small round holes on them. I'll be using a needle for this step. Simple, but it gets the job done. Just gently push it through like this. Take it slow. No need to turn this into a full-on attack. Moving on to piece number 5, cut out 2 of them. I'll be using a metal paper clip like this. Then straighten it out using pliers. Apply a small amount of glue to piece number 5, then place the metal rod like this. Add a bit more glue and place the second piece on top. Finally, coat the edges with glue to secure everything and make it more solid. Cut off the excess metal in the middle. On both ends, just leave a short section, no need to make it too long. On the template, there are 2 piece number 7 parts like this. Cut them in half, then attach them onto 2 popsicle sticks like this. Make sure to align them close to the edge of the stick, just like you see here. After that, cut the sticks into shape using a small saw, or you can use a knife, but be careful. And this is the final shape after cutting. Looks pretty clean, right? For the remaining piece number 7, attach it onto the cardboard, then cut it as usual. But for this front section, make sure to follow the curved cut line for the correct shape. Finally, use the popsicle stick piece number 7 to secure the cardboard piece number 7 into one solid part. Make sure to align everything carefully so all the pieces fit together perfectly. Apply a small amount of glue right here, then place the circular piece number 8 into position like this. Attach the piece number 9 parts onto the areas marked with diagonal lines like this. Make sure to place them correctly so everything lines up perfectly. Slide the metal rod through the gap in the cardboard like this. And now, I'm going to assemble all these pieces together to complete this part. If you followed everything correctly, it should work smoothly like this. Looks pretty awesome, right? Now for the next important step, go grab a shampoo bottle. Remove the cap, then take out the inner tube. And you'll find a hidden spring inside. Pretty unexpected, right? The great thing is, the spring fits perfectly inside the tube, so I'm going to use both of them together. I'll cut along the marked section. This is the size you can follow. I've roughened up this surface so the glue can stick better. It's a small step, but it kind of makes a big difference in strength. Next, cut out paper piece number 12. Then roll it up like this and insert it into the end of the tube. Finally, secure it with super glue to keep everything in place. For the spring we got earlier, I've shortened it to about 25 mm. Then insert it into the launcher tube and secure this end with super glue. And just like that, we now have a super powerful launcher. Now I'm going to roughen one side of the launcher tube so it can bond more securely to the base. Cut out piece number 10, then fold both edges like this. Make sure to keep the middle section flat and straight. After that, curve both sides so it can fit comfortably around your wrist. To secure it on your wrist, I'm going to use a piece of Velcro like this. Attach one piece on this side and stick the other piece on the back to create the fastening strap. I'm going to try it on my wrist. If your wrist is bigger, you can make piece number 10 a bit longer for a more comfortable fit. At this step, apply some glue to this flat surface, then place your launcher on top. Finally, add a bit more glue around the edges to secure it firmly. For these last 4 pieces, I'll bend them into shape. Then place them onto the marked positions. After that, secure them with glue along both edges. And this is how it should look. Now I'm going to show you how to make 4 projectiles. We'll use 4 wooden sticks about 28 mm long, along with paper pieces number 12 and 13. First, roll piece number 13 around the tip of the wooden stick. Then apply a generous amount of super glue to make the paper stronger and more solid. On the other end, roll piece number 12 around it, while evenly applying super glue to secure it firmly. Just repeat the same process and you'll finish the remaining 3 pieces. It's pretty simple. Just takes a bit of patience. For the final step, I'm going to add some color to my web shooter to make it look cooler, using acrylic markers. At this stage, you can customize your web shooter by choosing any color combination you like. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you enjoyed it. If you have any cool ideas, feel free to drop a comment below and share them with everyone. Looks pretty cool, right? Now let's see how powerful it really is.